Hello everyone, it's Felix again with Rachel. We have just finished our session. I've got all the foods out on the table. So Rachel, of these foods, which would be the easiest for you to start with first?
The orange.
Okay. Do you know how to peel that?
Yes.
Okay. It's a live therapy, jeopardy. I have no idea what's going to happen. But I trust the method. Done it so many times. This is a tangerine or satsuma or clementine or something. I always get them confused. It's quite juicy when you bite into it. Yeah, just so you know.
Where's your seat?
You just bite in half, yeah. And focus on the real taste. You've got to bite into it to break it off, yeah? When you realize it's quite juicy. It can squirt a little bit, yeah. What do you think?
I think I've just eaten a bit of orange.
You have, yeah. And you've eaten it calmly, that is to say, no symptoms.
Scientifically. It's
Yeah.
definitely like, oh, what was that like?
Exactly. You approach it in a different way. Now, whatever that is, tangerine, clementine, that hasn't changed, you've changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the plan. And because your mind knows it's safe, it doesn't do gagging, it doesn't do throat closing. It says, what do I need to do that for? We've cleared that misunderstanding up. Great. Okay. So well done. And I know that if you wanted a second piece, you could have it, but there's quite a lot of food here, so we'll save some space. But if you wanted to eat more, you could, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what else would you like to tell your mind to check out today?
Not sure.
Yeah. You can try the strawberry if you're on a fruit theme, or the blueberries.
Yeah, I think.
Unless you feel like bread or something like that. You did say you're a little indecisive at the start. It's all right.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
I'm going to drink.
Yes. And again, you know, they are nicer in June. They're a little bit flavorless sometimes. So look for a nice red one. And then you eat from the tip. Yeah, that's it. Yep. So just take a bite, check it out like scientists. Again, they don't, I actually know from the sound of it. Yeah, it should taste a bit sweeter in summertime. A bit sour, actually. They are nice in summer. Yeah. You checked it out. I won't write them off. I'll try them again in July
Yeah.
when they're sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You did it?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. If you want an easy one, yoga has quite a high success rate. Got a spoon there somewhere. It's a blueberry yoga. Actual bits of fruit in that. Yeah. Quite nice, yeah?
Yeah.
And I can have, yeah, which is good because they also have calcium and stuff, I believe. Have that with your kids for sure. You can make your own. I have Greek yogurt and put some fruit in it, a bit of honey. Very good. You now tried 3 things quite quickly.
Yeah, I think that's.
Not bad. No gagging, no throat closing because your brain does do what you instructed today. Once explained.
Yeah.
Good. So basically, you can eat as much as convinces you, I'm really sold that my brain is doing this today and that those symptoms are not happening. So as many as you want, Rachel, that convinces you.
Yeah. It feels like quite a lot actually.
Sure. I mean, yeah, at the time, I guess you want a choice.
Yeah.
So you don't have to go through all of them today. That's fine. They're just enough so you know, okay. It's not some lucky thing. This is change taking place. Yeah.
Sort of torn between like I'll have the sausage because I feel like
Mm-hmm.
that would be a challenge, like the sandwich,
Okay.
the bread, and but I don't know.
Okay. We can try the other bread first because it looks quite nice actually. So these are nicer when they're fresh and cooked, not the supermarket processed version, but they'll do. You eat breaded chicken already, so
Yeah,
it's a bit like that.
it's
But
kind of in the same wheelhouse.
yeah, it's the same kind of thing. Although warm breaded chicken is tastier, I'd say. But just so you know, you can. Real grilled sausage is much nicer, and bacon as well. So yeah, it's got that sort of processed kind of generic taste. Yeah, very good. You do experiments, you find out. And sometimes the food's nice, it's okay, or you don't like it. Either way, you can cope. Very good. So, do you want to try the bread?
Yeah.
This looks quite nice. And what I'll do as you're doing that, Rachel, I'm going to go and heat up the curry. So I'm just going to put my phone, let's see if everyone can see it, right here, then it might fall. And we'll sort out this curry. Get my glasses on. Right. Also, it's been nice, also quite nice toasted and quite nice with something on it. As well. I like to dip it in something. Okay. Enjoy. Go back and heat it again and just go stir it. How did that go for you?
Yeah, that was fine actually.
That was
even
fine.
with the texture of the seeds, it wasn't a problem.
Yeah, so there's a lot of seeds in that and it's brown bread, but
Yeah.
fine. And it's raw, it's not toasted.
Yeah.
Good. So proof is proof, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty convinced, pretty compelling proof.
Yes.
So we've got the curry coming. The lettuce, it's on its own, it's like a pretty flavourless, a bit like a healthy crisp, I guess.
Yeah.
Quite nice on the bread with something, with cheese or something like that.
Yeah.
But it sounds a bit boring. But anyway, the curry's coming and that's got a lot of things in it.
Can I try? I want to try the lettuce. The lettuce to me is like a big worry.
I'm slightly worried. I'm thinking, where's the bagger? Yeah. So look, there's not much in it. You don't think, oh, it's so tasty. It's nice and soft.
Yeah.
There's not much to it. Yeah. It is like a crispy. And then now it's about liking it.
Yeah, which I suppose is the other.
In a salad, the dressing makes a big difference. I mean, plain lettuce is a bit bland. The vinaigrette makes the salad.
Yeah. Well, never in my wildest dreams would I put lettuce in my mouth.
Well, now you did. Quite easily.
Yeah.
So
there's no.
Yeah.
It's like.
Yeah.
But it's nothing.
Correct.
But I can eat it.
Yeah. So proof is building up for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check that there. Great. I'll just check on the curry. So yeah, the curry will be. I cringed watching you try the lettuce. I really need to try. There you go. Well done, Charlotte. What do I do in the hour session? Well, I do a bunch of things all stacked and working with each other that change the concept of food in a way. So it's not just what's done, but how you do it. So obviously I've got a lot of experience with this. I've got a lot of opportunity to refine and hone and pick examples that come to my mind creatively in the moment and then use them and update. So it's basically changing the old way of believing things. And we didn't do hypnosis, did we? I think you had your eyes closed, Rachel. But we didn't ask you to close your eyes and relax because you felt like you could keep your eyes open. So yeah, we didn't actually do formal hypnosis. So, I mean, I can explain more in the session, just really hard to explain it because in order to explain one thing, you need to explain another thing, then another thing, and then it takes quite a long time to explain everything behind the scenes. In short, it's a talking therapy aiming at a conceptual shift. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm going to put this down. The curry should be ready. Here we go. Okay, so we've got the curry now. This is a lot tastier to eat than it looks, I have to say.
Okay.
Make sure it's not too hot. So we can try a bit of rice first, and a bit of sauce with rice.
I'm sort of thinking, what am I supposed to be thinking? But I'm not supposed to be.
You know what I was thinking? You might say, I don't know, I'll make up my mind afterwards.
Yeah.
Like a scientist. You see, the sauce makes it kind of more interesting because people want to play it very safe and have plain rice and stuff. But it's the sauce that makes a difference. If Charlotte's still on the line. I can't eat any other vegetables at all other than potatoes. That's what you said to me at the start of the session.
Yeah, that's me.
No, it used to be you. That was you, yeah. What do you think? It's not bad.
Tasty.
Yeah. There's actually quite a lot of things in that. So there's a lot of spices and sauces. There's rice in there. There's obviously what they put in there. So I think, to be honest, if you can eat that, you can eat that. Yeah.
Because I wouldn't eat
Yeah.
things that are mixed together.
Yeah.
And that's definitely.
That was also an old common rule for people, yeah? So in terms of a sandwich, this won't be as tasty as a homemade one with the bread and lettuce and cheese and proper ham. It's just, yeah. So I don't really like this kind of processed ham. I have no problem eating it. I just don't like the taste.
Yeah.
So to be honest with you, if you can make a fresh one, because I want to stack the deck, this plain, I know this ham, it's not that tasty.
Yeah.
Have nice, there's a selection at the deli counter where you see some of the thicker one and you think, oh, that one looks nice, not this slightly other one. Yeah. But you can eat the curry, you can eat this. So,
yeah, no, I feel good.
You feel good.
Yeah.
You know you can take what you've done today and build on it.
Yeah.
So great. And we really appreciate some updates on the forum. Yeah, when you've got a moment. And if anyone has any questions for you, then please comment them and hopefully you'll answer.
Yeah.
But well done. Great job today, Rachel. Thanks for allowing this to be on the video to inspire other people. And proof is proof, yeah?
Thank you.
Oh, Charlotte's just about. I'm the opposite with sandwiches. All I eat is cheese sandwiches, cheese and junk food. I couldn't eat curry yet. Curry is really nice. It's just well done as well. Thank you, Charlotte. Yeah. But yeah, and this, remember, this is a supermarket curry. I mean, the real one is so much nicer and microwaved as well. Yeah. So whole world of food opening up for you. Lots to look forward to. Okay, so well done and thanks again.